I thought under my refrigerator was clean until something fell, and I found out that it wasn't. The walls on the side, what was hidden behind the refrigerator. Lord help me. That is not what I want to represent in the dark or the light. Behind closed things are in front. So we're going to do what it do. A cup of vinegar and a cup of Dawn. Spray it on for an hour. And let's see what happens. Today is a cleaning day, I guess. That should not be. But I think something wasted. I don't know what it was. Chili soup or something. The refrigerator was clean, but on the side of the refrigerator. Had to roll that thing out. Spray it down, saturate it real good. I'm going to let it sit for an hour, maybe longer. Saturate it very good. When you think you cleaned up a mess, just goes to show you, stuff will hide in the dark. This is what I was able to sweep up on the side of the refrigerator, underneath it. We know we don't want that at all. We're not welcoming no extra unwanted guests. Okay, we're done. Looks pretty decent. Big different than earlier. The Dawn concoction